How to edit WithJoy website. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit WithJoy website. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on WithJoy, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is WithJoy.com, it is a web-based wedding planning platform designed to help engage couples organize many aspects of their wedding in one place. And the service lets users build a custom wedding websites with their own themes, photos, and details, manage guest lists and RSVPs, send digital save the dates and invitations, and run an integrated wedding registry that can include physical gifts, zero-fee cash funds, honeymoon funds, and links to external retailers. So now to create an account, all you need to do is simply click the Get Started button on the top right corner in here, or the Login button once you already have your account, and sign in using your email address or using your Google account right here. After that, you'll be directed on this page, and it will show you a variety of options to choose from. But since we're trying to create or edit here, for example, a wedding website, we can start navigating on the left side panel some of the options, including to collect the address, schedule, guest list, registry, website, guest stays, and many more. And upon clicking the website option on top right corner, it will show us in here what the website looks like, or this button right here, it will show you the preview of what the current website looks like at the moment. So you can start scrolling down to see what it looks like, including the image, the context, and even the date, the schedule, the story, and any other details regarding the wedding in here. So if you want to start customizing every details in here, depending on your preferences, just simply go back on our page, RSVP or edit website button on the left side panel. And after that, all you need to do is simply choose here the website option by clicking on it. Upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed on this page, and under the design gallery, you have an option to choose either a different kind of design such as a minimalist, this one, love and leaves, and many more. So upon selecting any of this website, it will automatically show you the effect of it in our current website that we are currently customizing at the moment. For example, this one, it will show us the effect of it. Now moving on, you can even change the layout, such as to make it the navigation either split view, simple scroll, and many more. So basically all of this, including the layout, are pretty much accessible and customizable in here. You can even change the alignment of the text, the color palette by clicking on it. All you need to do is simply choose here the kind of color that you prefer. And for the photo, just click edit photo if you want to replace it by simply uploading from your computer files. Or alternatively, you can upload directly or using some of the option in here. Now under the font style, you can even choose your own font style in here, in which there's a variety of choices to choose from, and even the sizes of it. You can even also navigate here the photo section. Upon clicking on it, it will show you your album that you can even upload a variety of images for your wedding, invitation, or website in here. And aside from that, you could also start navigating a different kind of pages in which the guests will be accessed, including the schedule, the specific location of your wedding, the location or the address of where the invited guests will come as their hotel stays, and many more. You can even upload a video in here, a story by clicking on it. You can simply change pretty much everything on here. Or you can even go back to this page and start navigating the stationery, the bottom moments, the RSVP, and many more. So it is also kind of like the same format of simply customizing everything in here on template. So all we need to do is simply fill out the required information, including the story in here. As you can see, you can simply change your own story based on how you two first meet or how the love story began. Again, you can click the story option on the top left corner to start navigating the other pages to customize. So aside from that, this platform also includes and offer on mobile apps so couple can plan and updates details on the go and features tools for sharing schedules, travel information, and post-wedding photos. But once you're now done customizing your own wedding website, all you need to do is to click the visit site button on the top right corner to see what it looks like. So this is basically what our current website looks like upon customizing it directly in here. You can start scrolling down to see some other details and also some other pages right here on the top panel that we can access. All you need to do is simply click on it and they will automatically direct us on the part we're looking for. But overall, that is just basically how you can edit WithJoy website. Thank you.